Hola.
¿Cómo estás? Anyways, so we're here today
Garlic stuffed olives.
with products from Tom and Pam Runyan Ranches, which is 50 miles west of Artesia, New Mexico, east of Cloudcroft, between mile markers 55 and 56. They also have a rescue zoo with things like little sheepy goats.
See the detail? He's about to give you their social security, their address, and what they're doing for you.
And delicious non-alcoholic cider like cherry cider, apple, and a few others. Very delicious. But
olives.
This is olive stuffed garlic. Garlic stuffed olives.
Garlic stuffed olives. We're going to try some. As you can see, it's olivey.
It's briny. And
Garlic
it's
in the
stuffed
inside?
in garlic.
Let us take a bite. This.
Neek.
Ooh.
Mm.
Holy excuse me, y'all. Oh. Now,
You get that nice tanginess from the column olive olives. And it's brine deliciously, very light. You know what? I would love these sliced up put on a sandwich.
Yeah.
Or a salad. Absolutely delicious.
Or a pizza or
And again,
so many
these are
good-
the kind
these
of
are
places
good.
you only find when you drive 100 miles down the road, often some backwoods. And they have all sorts of delicious products.
Tom and Pam.
Delicious. We do have their social medias here. They have a Facebook.
We will
Mostly
post them.
Facebook. We'll post it below.
Yeah. What would you rate it?
To me, that is a solid 9. I would have maybe liked some more like garlic pieces floating separately, just to add more flavor to it. But man, that has a lot of flavor. Big stuffed olives, preserved well.
I'm loving that. I think I'm gonna give it a 9.5. Cause I wish they put like some little like the mama's little reds in it to give it like the red peppers that you see inside of olives usually.
I think they had one. I think they had one with the
that
chilies
garlic.
in it.
Yeah, that's because I love those too. But honestly,
I could see that being a great combination
Oh
with
yeah,
them.
have that both combination. I could easily see this being like they stuffed it with like garlic and a piece of cheese.
Bit of tartness, bit of acid, like it's really wonderful.
It's sweet. It's kind of it's a little bit savory because the olive part, because olives are savory. So you have your sweet, your sour, a little bit salty, basically umami.
Yeah,
Minus the spicy part.
yeah, and because it's in a jar and pickled, it sits forever on your shelf.
Really good. Yeah, that is a really good olive. Definitely love it. I would get this 100% again. I would get this.
Yeah.
I would even order it online. That's how far I would go. Definitely. If you're a huge olive fan, this is the olive for you. If you love garlic, also, as we know, we love garlic.
Garlic is love.
Garlic is love, yo. So definitely rate it 9.5.
A solid 9 for me.
Tom and Pam, amazing. I love it. Yes, very big. And it comes in a like little mason jar thing too. See, little mason jar.
They can their own stuff.
Yeah, so it's phenomenal. Definitely recommend it. Highly recommend it. But we're gonna continue eating these because they're good and just chilling, relaxing. And before we go, I want to make sure.
Last one.
I'm gonna actually cut one open just to show you guys.
Just making sure it's safe for you guys.
100%.
It is.
It is. So there's a little piece of garlic in it. Now I do wish they had a little bit bigger with garlic in it. I feel like I need more garlic.
I mean,
but it's still not
hard
bad.
to
It's still
shove
not bad.
more garlic into that little hole there.
And that's also like that's me being picky.
Yeah.
But if
But
you
I
look
could
at
definitely
these,
see the garlic being with some the little reds.
the red, right?
Absolutely perfect. Great for lots of things. Pizza, salads by itself.
As a snack,
Yeah.
as a travel snack, as
Delicious.
carrying your purse or your backpack.
Like I said, plenty of other options there. Raw honey, ciders, all sorts of good
If
stuff.
they're as good as this, I'm excited.
So thank you for listening to our rant and rave, and as always,
Have a good one.
keep on wondering.